Hello, my name is Maddox, and today I will be telling you about order of operations. Now, in order to remember the order that we do the operations in, we're going to use a technique called BEDMAS. BEDMAS stands for brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, today our example will be 2 plus 3 and then 6 times 4. Now, because when you look at BEDMAS, the first thing is brackets, that means because we have brackets in our equation, that is what we will start with. So we need to find out what 6 times 4 is. 72, and then we're going to times that by the 3, which equals... Oh, sorry, I did that wrong. Sorry, I meant it equals 24, and then you times it by the 3, and then which equals 72, and we'll plus it by the 2, which equals 74. I hope this video has helped you understand BEDMAS. Bye!